So I'm here in Austin. Guess it's Kowloon Park, not to be confused with Kowloon Walled City Park. I guess let's check it out. They got a totem pole, the Garden of Life, a mosque, and an aviary. Alright, let's go. I guess that's a Hong Kong orchid tree. And for some reason, this one's a camel's foot. This is the tree caught in. Is that the golden shower? I'm already sweating bullets. I've only been out of that mall for 10 minutes. What's here? This doesn't look like a garden of life. Robert's brain is gone. Now that does look kind of cool. Is it a maze? Or just a maze? Robert's brain is gone. What kind of plant is this? Tell me. Don't those leaves look like alien hands? Does that one come from Yangon? There's a lot of wilderness in Hong Kong. Here's a famous Hong Kong cat. What do you think? Should I go to the China Hong Kong city? McDonald's in the park. The McDonald's has some really cool looking ice creams. They're pink. Maybe in a half an hour I'm getting ice cream. But first let's look at birds. Oh, the birds are in cages. Wow, what is that? Look how he stalks his prey. The other two, you didn't even know were there. They hunt in packs. Robert's brain is gone. Look at this guy. And those guys. But that guy. Look at that guy. god, I'm so hot. What is that even? That thing is huge. And that crest on its head. Wow. I wonder what he tastes like. Robert's brain is gone. Probably like chicken. Robert's brain is gone. He's a rhinoceros hornbill. Rhinoceros hornbill. Hornbill? Hornbill. I don't remember. So cool. I don't know where I came in, but I think it was here and I'm leaving now. Guys, I figured out what this tree is called. It's a ficus. Ficus microcarpa. Chinese Banyan Unsigana Banyan Usigana He. Banyan Usigana Borana. Oh. Robert's brain is gone. Is this part of the Walled City Park? I don't know. Really, can somebody tell me what China HK City is? Such long legs. Robert's brain is gone. Is it a business park? Is China Hong Kong City a business park? Yeah. China Hong Kong City is a business park or a mall. It's right over there, you see it? I'm leaving. Oh, there's the thing from the miniature. That building with the colors in the middle. You see it? This was supposed to be arcade tour day, not TST day. Let's get out of here. Robert's brain is gone. Jesus Christ, Hong Kong is a trap. I got some kind of Fukuoka strawberry McFlurry from the McDonald's in the park. It may contain nuts. Oops. It just tasted like a strawberry McFlurry with blueberries in it. And an ice cream cone. I should have just got the ice cream cone. Robert's brain is gone. Just some obelisks. I don't know how to get out of here. Who doesn't want to wear the ribbon? Robert's brain is gone. Someone was taking this photo, so I'm doing it right now too. Okay, bye. Robert's brain is gone. Robert's brain is gone. Alright. Okay. There's Comic Avenue. I don't know any of these. Not that much into anime or comics. That one's cool. But they've got a Jurassic maze. I hope this is free. It must be free. No cycling, no hawking, no smoking, no dogs. I guess it's not free. Huh. It's just a little bit weird. Maybe I'm too old for here. I think I am. I'm leaving. Okay, bye. Robert's brain is gone. What am I doing here? Just standing around. The street is so boring. Robert's brain is gone. Robert's brain is gone. All right, this arcade is just for dancing games. It's called Rhythm of the Foot. It's right next to a Foot Clan headquarters. And also another Foot Clan headquarters. Just kidding. This is the game center. It is on Wusung Street Road? I don't know. It's like Wusung and Jordan. Let's go in. Robert's brain is gone. Fail. So that one was just mahjong and gambling too. I don't think there's many real arcades here. Oh well. Robert's brain is gone. I'm going home, but take a look at this. This thing is awesome. What is it? It's a Velfire. Alfred. Cool. Robert's brain is gone. That arcade was so boring. So I'm back. And I found Coca-Cola Plus 0. What is it? If I find out, I'll let you know. Just tastes like Diet Coke. Robert's brain is gone. Is that at the station already? I don't know. Jordan. Walking down the street. I think a roach almost flew into me. Frightening. Anyway, I went to welcome. 12 pack of Coke. It's $35. But an 8-pack is $38. Alright, I'll get the 12-pack. And I'll end my video here. Bye. Oh, I also got a Cocoa Crunch because it had raptors on it. There's raptors everywhere. Good old T-Rex too. And the new Velociraptor. Hey, check it out, Dilophosaurus. Dye needed. Play with Blue, play with Rex. Velociraptors everywhere.